Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Confirm the server IP and port in server. CFG match the address player's use. Handshaking fails when these differ. Next, open the required ports. Fivem primarily uses 30,120 UDP plus Steam ports because blocked ports prevent the initial handshake. Once done, switch to a wired connection or temporarily disable VPNs and proxies so latency and NAT type don't interfere. These first steps remove the most common external blockers before diving deeper. Now you inspect server-side configuration. Open server. CFG and ensure endpoint add TCP and endpoint add UDP lines use the public IP and correct ports. Misconfigured endpoints break handshakes. Verify SV Master 1 is correct or disabled when running private listings, and confirm certificate and key files are present and readable. TLS problems will abort the handshake. Once configured, start Fivem with plus exec server, CFG, and watch the console for specific handshake error messages so you know exactly which layer failed. Finish by addressing cryptographic and NAT causes. Regenerate certificates and keys if TLS errors continue, then set correct permissions so the server can read them. Mismatched or unreadable certs halt the handshake. Next, fix NAT by enabling UPnP or creating manual port forwards to a static internal IP, because asymmetric NAT blocks responses. If problems persist, make sure server and clients have accurate system time via NTP and verify client NAT types. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.